Begin by standing with your legs straight and your feet hips width apart. Reach your arms up overhead, then hinge at your hips to bend forward and allow your arms to hang towards the floor. Hold for 15 seconds, then slowly roll your back up, starting with your tailbone and rounding your back up to your neck to slowly return to standing. We will repeat this 2 more times. Be sure to keep your knees as straight as possible and breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. When you're in the folded position, you should feel a stretch along the back of your legs. Place your hands on the floor and step your legs back into a plank position, then push your hips up toward the ceiling to move into downward dog. We will hold this for about 5 seconds. You should feel a stretch in the back of your legs and throughout your back. Come back to plank position and let your hips fall towards the floor to move to up dog position. You should feel a stretch in the front of your hips as well as your lower back. We will hold this for 5 seconds, then return to downward dog. We will alternate between these 2 positions 4 more times. We are going to get into tabletop position with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees directly under your hips. Starting with your neck, we are going to curve the spine to create a U shape with your back. Start by looking up, then slowly arching the spine. We will then transition by rounding the spine up towards the ceiling, beginning with the tailbone and finishing by tucking the chin towards your chest. We will alternate between these movements 10 times. You should be inhaling as you move to the U-shaped position, then exhale as you arch your back upwards. We will begin the next movement by laying on your stomach, placing your hands under your shoulders, and pressing your upper body up while leaving your hips touching the floor to create an arch in your lower back. We will hold this for about 5 seconds, then relax towards the floor. We will move through this movement 10 times. You should inhale while you're laying and exhale as you lift your upper body. Beginning in a tabletop position, sit your hips back towards your heels while leaving your arms extended out in front of you. You should feel a stretch through your lower back and glutes and possibly in the front of your legs. We will hold this for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times. Be sure to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth as you hold this position. We will transition to laying on your back, lifting one leg straight up and moving it across the opposite side of your body towards the floor. You should feel a stretch through your lower back. Hold for about 5 seconds, rotate back to the center, and lower that leg back to the floor. Lift the other leg and repeat on that side. We will alternate between the sides 5 times. Be sure to exhale as you move into each stretch. Remaining in the lying position with both legs extended outward, bring one knee in towards your chest and grab your leg by wrapping your hands on your knee to pull your leg closer to your chest. Hold for about 5 seconds, then return that leg back to the ground. Repeat on the opposite leg. Continue alternating between the legs 5 times.